Hi guys, welcome back. Well, after I made the boot jump the other day, I come out the next day, got in the car, driving up the shops, started it, drove up the shops, no problem at all. Bought some shopping, come out, and when I got back in the car, it wouldn't start. So yeah. So all the dashboard lights up and everything. Turn the key. Nothing. I had a little look and diagnosed it as the starter motor. So the starter motor's gone. So I've been out and bought a new one, which is there. And today we're going to chuck it in this morning. It's Saturday morning, it's cold, it's been raining, it looks like it's going to rain again, so let's get on with it. Right, first thing I have to do is remove the battery, take the battery plastic cowling off and then remove the battery tray. That will allow me to access a bolt at the top just over there, and then the rest of it is done under the car, unfortunately. Always try and put the nuts back on where they come from, where I took them off from, so you don't lose them and you know where they go afterwards. This battery out, now we've got to remove this plastic tray. Okay, now we've just got to remove this metal battery tray. Right, and now we've got to remove, I don't even know if I can zoom in and show you, that little bolt there that you can just see in my mirror. You can only see it with a, you can only see it if you're using like an inspection mirror. It's a nightmare. Well, that's that bolt out. What a nightmare that was to access, but I've got it out anyway, thank God. Right, now I've got to get under the car. Okay, I've got the car in the air, chopped the wheels, got a couple of stands under there. I'm going to keep the jack there to make sure it's not going to fall on me, but this is going to be a right pain in the arse, I can see it. Okay, there it is up there, so I've got to get in there, disconnect those cables, unscrew 2 bolts and then somehow get it out of there, which is going to be near on impossible, I'd imagine. We will see. Just put another axle stand in as well, so that's 3 I've got now, plus the jack. That should keep it secure. Well, after a massive struggle, it's out. Right, try and put it back in. It's a nightmare. Well, I'm pleased to say it's there. It's fitted. It was an absolute nightmare. I've still got a bolt to put in from above, but just hope and, if you got one of these, just hope and pray your starter motor doesn't go, because that was, oh, it's a pig of a job. Try and get this last bolt back in there from the top now. Oh God, just managed to do that bolt up. God, that was hard work. Right, now just put the battery cage and tray and everything back in. Oh, I've wrestled that back in just to do the bolts and that back up now on that. Right, that's all the tray and everything back in. Right, I've bought a new battery as well, just to give it the best possible chance, so we'll whack that in. Right, new battery installed, just got to try and get this thing back on now. Easier said than done, that is. That's the battery in, just got to connect the positive up now. Okay, we're in. Now the moment of truth. Turn it over, see if it actually starts. I hope so after all that. Right. Ooh. There it is. hard work, a lot of effort. As I say, hope and pray that your starter motor doesn't go, because that was a pig of a job. But apparently a garage does charge £400 to do that job, so it's well worth tackling yourself. The starter motor was only just over £60, 61, £62, something like that. So well worth tackling yourself. Right, I've just got to clear up this mess. Guys, that's it for today. That was a little bit unexpected to do that, but it's done. Yeah, it's good to know it's all working properly again. Like I say, the garage would have charged about £400 to do that, and the part only costs like 60 quid, so definitely worth having a go yourself, but not the easiest job in the world. A bit fiddly, to be honest, but it took me, I think I started at about 9, it's about 1:30 now, 10, 11, 12, 1, yeah, about 4.5 hours. So, but I mean, I'd rather do that than pay £400. I always have a look on Click Mechanic online. You can just go and have a look, see what they charge, do the job yourself, and then be really pleased about all the money you've saved. Yeah, lots of stuff coming up. I've bought quite a few bits to go on the van. I've bought stuff to make thermal window blinds, so we'll be making them in probably next video or something. And also I bought some paint to paint the boot jump, so we'll get that painted up as well. And I've bought a little bit of carpet for the, not carpet, but it's like a floor mat to go in the floor well bit of that. Also, yeah, I didn't have it quite laid out properly before, so I've realised now you've got to remove the headrests from the centre seats and then it lays flat, so we'll have another look at that in the next video as well. But for now, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, it really helps me out. I'm really grateful to everyone who already has. Thanks so much guys, see you next time.